is going?
Yeah.
Okay, got it.
So
Okay.
put the pillow on his lap or on the side so that he's all supported.
Comfortable?
Are you
Ready?
comfy and cozy? You get to hold your little sister. Put your arms out. And there you go. There you go. You get to hold
Just a little
her.
too dark.
Yeah.
You can open the curtain.
I can?
Yeah. Just ask her if you can open it for a second.
Is it okay if I open this first?
Yeah, that's fine. You are so good at that.
You get down on your knees for a second now so you can get a better angle.
You are so good at that. That's right, holding your little sister. She's kind of heavy for you, huh, Elliot?
You have to keep her head up.
Heavy. Yeah. And touch her little legs too. Everything's very soft.
Oh my God.
You must be very happy that you get your own little sister. You know, Penelope's here and she gets one too.
He's so solemn.
You're such a sweet boy.
You're doing a good job, Elia.
See if you can get in there too. I'd love to get the four of you.
Yeah, we'll be changing her diaper and we'll be cleaning her. Do you want to see her tiny, tiny feet? Yeah. She has really tiny feet. Let me show you. Look at those feet. Do you want to touch them? You want to touch those funny little feet? Look at that. Little toes. I've been looking forward to introducing you to her. That's your little sister. She's yours forever.
I think there's toys.
Yeah? You think there's toys?
Yeah.
I think you have a little something you can give her. Do you want to give